make Jesus famous. Oh, show him in the truth of his freedom. I wanna be used by you as long as you want me to. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Okwe. Welcome. So today I have this natural hair, what do I even call this? Anyways, it's just a hack I discovered this morning. Well, I did a variation of it this morning. I just pinned a wig literally to my hair, so it is very easy. It literally takes me like 5 minutes. 5 safe is too much. If you've sorted out this part, 5 minutes is too much for you to pin a wig to your hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching and let me know what you think at the end of the video. Anyways, moving to the video. Peace out. I've gone ahead to twist this side loosely, and then the other part of my hair is just slicked back into a bun. No gel, nothing, just rough. I did it in a hurry. Usually when I'm going to do it, I'm going to gel it down very well, just like the slick one I did the other time. But if you want your hair to look normal like this, you can leave it. So I'm going to show you guys how I put this in this kind of twist. It's really random, to be honest. I just tried this morning and I saw it was nice. I'm like, let me sharply film it for you guys. So my hair is a tad bit wet. I'm just going to detangle it, and then I'm going to divide it into two. It doesn't have to be equal or anything. So, and then I'll just flat twist it. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just freestyling and I'm showing you how I did it. So obviously if you can flat twist better, good for you.
I wanna pour my love, I wanna show for love on it.
Just flat twisting it all the way to go and meet that bun. If you can make it perfect, please do. I'm just going to use a bobby pin and just pin it well. A big one and a small one should do. So that's that. You don't have to worry about it being perfect or anything. Yes, it is a wig, a real life wig, like with cap and everything. I'm sure I'll insert a picture of myself wearing this wig on a normal day. So if you have this type of hair in normal bundles, you can just clip it, but I already made it mine into a wig, so I cannot lose in my wig. I'm just going to, like, you know, in those days when we used to do packing gel and then you pack your hair and then just put whatever at the end. That's what this is. So it's like from midway. You have to be careful and use where the lace is at the center of your head. You don't want to poke your lace because then you're going to tear it. That's your lace front, you get. So I don't want any pin going through my lace front. So I'm just going to put it at the center of my head. Make sure it's equal on both sides, and then you pin round. Make sure you secure it too. Try securing around it first.
You are my strength when
Make sure the pin goes through and you can feel it on your scalp. That's the only way you're sure that the wig is secured. Use longer bobby pins. See the difference? So use the longer one so they can get into your scalp. If not, you're just going to be using plenty of the shorter ones. So now, where your weft is, make sure you clip it to your hair very well. Pin it several times on one spot if you have to. You don't want the breeze blowing your wig away. All the way round, like in a circle, around your puff. Guys, this hair is sharp and you're done. The first person I actually saw this hair on and I really liked it was Anita Brown, but she did a center part and a slick bun, that my usual slick bun, and then she had this kind of hair sewn round it, so hers is sewn in. If you're like me and you don't like hair sewn in, I haven't had is this sewing? I'll be sewing, whatever. I haven't fixed my hair the usual needle and thread way since 2013. That was the last time I had needle and thread weave in my hair. I am a wig person, so if you don't want that, I don't want to be itchy in the middle of the night or stressed or anything, you use this type, and so that you can remove it and wear it back every time you want it. I just did this variation of a flat twist because I already saw too many packing gel, so I really wanted something different, so that is why this is here. So this is how it looks. Don't worry, the lace part doesn't even show, and if you're bothered about it showing, you take strands of hair and you just take it over it to cover the front part. But to be honest, except if you're like really short, nobody's looking at the center of your head. You can take more weave from this side and cover it, but to me, I really can't be bothered, but I'll do it just for doing it, and you're good. Let me fluff it out a bit. and we're done. It's literally very easy. You can do it with your straight wigs, you can do it with your coily wigs, your kinky wig, your wavy, whichever way you want it, to be honest. Just rock your crown basically. Obviously my hair is not gelled down, so but I think I like it because I feel like if it's gelled down, your hair would, the texture of your hair would not match this one. So because I'm using a very kinky wig, I decided to not gel down my hair so that the kinkiness, if there's a word, the kinkiness of my hair will kind of match. You get, not that it's like sleeping and then you now really look like packing gel. So that is why I did not gel down my hair, only my edges. You can rock this to a party, meetings if you want to go and kill them there, weddings, wherever. You guys, I put this thing together last minute this morning because I was tired of my afro and it looks this beautiful. Best believe I am rocking this out. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it for your friends, your family, your enemies, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your auntie. Share it about, let them know this sharp hack that you can use for your hair. If you've tried this hair before or whatever, just let me know, and if you're going to try it, please tag me and show me, DM me pictures, span my Instagram DMs with several pictures of yourself rocking it. Thank you guys for the love. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and please, if you don't get notifications when I post, it's because you haven't clicked that little bell. So the little bell beside my subscribe button, please click it so that you can get notification when I post. I love you guys. Thanks for all the love. I'll see you later. Kisses, peace out. Ciao ciao dodo. Ciao ciao dodo. So yeah, we're going to move to the slow-mo. Deuces.
You are my strength when I am weak. You give me hope.